Hey, it's Vic. We're back here with one of our great MemberFix developers, Edgar. And Edgar has done a really interesting thing for one of our customers, theperfectria.com. And what was this customer requesting, Edgar?
The customer has a lot of trouble. It was like high priority task. And the customer had a lot of troubles to remove access for a certain course for a certain role. For example, in the WordPress website, we had a role called BSP user. And for the BSP user, we have to restrict access to Junior Advisor Masterclass, as you can see in the screenshot.
And we're looking at a LearnDash course grid, right? So these are LearnDash courses.
Yes.
And just to clarify, we're saying that she wanted to make courses available to certain user roles and not available to other user roles. So basically certain courses are available to certain users and certain other sets of courses are available to certain other users.
Yeah, but in this example, she wanted for only the Junior Advisor Masterclass to be restricted for the and unfortunately, the LearnDash or MemberPress or any other plugin didn't provide such functionality. And she wanted me to create a code super tiny and super functional so she can replace the course ID, replace the BSP user role, and after clicking update, it will just restrict access for the certain user role for a certain course. And currently, I want to explain you how it works. And I'll start by showing you the code. It's not so big, but really functional. As you can see here, we have a role, and it's BSP user. And under it, we can see the course ID. It's 46228. To find the course ID, we have to just go to the LearnDash courses and just click on the course. And in the Slack, we can see the course ID. I'll just show you in the live example. For example, for this course.
We've got a little bit of a delay on the screen share. Okay, so basically you hover over the course, you hover over edit, and then in the URL, you can see the course number.
Yeah, as you can see, the course number is 34885. And we go back and replace the course ID with it. After that, the magic hook called LD update course success will do the job. After that we have updated the course ID, updated the role that we want to restrict access to, we click the update file button and will immediately restrict access for the BSP course. Of course, it will be restricted. For example, I want to show you for the user, for the regular BSP user, that he can't access the course. For this example, I restricted access for Junior Advisor course, so we will check that. I will go to the BSP user and log in as a BSP user. After going to courses, as you can see, there is no Junior Advisor Masterclass because it has been restricted for the BSP users. And yeah, so that's it.
It's not that you're not able to enroll in the course. It's not even available. It's not even visible to be enrolled in. Yeah. It's just gone from the grid. Okay. And I suppose you instructed our customer how this works, and she can basically make these modifications herself. It's pretty simple.
Yes, I recorded several long videos and detailedly explained how everything works. And she shared actually with the team, and they are happy. They are happy that they have such solution. Yeah.
Awesome. Great job, Edgar. So if you're listening and you have similar needs for some kind of custom course protection or some kind of custom user role, or could be even advanced custom fields. This could be done with advanced custom fields. There's a number of ways to make this easy to use. It could be a code snippet, but also it could be a little plugin that makes it very user-friendly. Depends on the level of technical ability of you and your team. But if you need help with any of this kind of stuff, this is exactly the kind of thing that Edgar and I and the whole team at MemberFix do all day, every day. So if you have any interesting technical requirements for us regarding WordPress, LearnDash, MemberPress, any of that good stuff, just reach out to us. We will be delighted to serve you.